everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a sponsored video from BZseed to share with you. So I am just going to unbox it in this video, and then I will put another video on after I've used it for a couple of days so that you guys can see my honest opinion of it. This is an aroma diffuser, and it says that it works 7 to 9 hours. It's ultra quiet, has an auto off, and a 550 milliliter water tank. All you do is lift the cover, push the mist button to turn it on, add pure water, add drops of essential oils that were not included, and turn the puppy on. It has an LED light that is 7 colors, and you can find this on Amazon, and I of course will leave the link below. And this will mask bad odors, therapeutic benefits, helpful for dry skin, and you can also use it as a night light. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and open this up. It came nicely packaged, arrived from Amazon, and like I said, I will leave the link below. And I do have some essential oils of my own to put in it. And the company that reached out to ask if I would do this has been very thorough in making sure that, you know, I got the item and that everything was okay. She's been very nice. There is an owner's manual. It tells you how to operate it, but it looks very easy. Comes nicely packaged. It comes apart, which is perfectly fine for me. Let's see, it gives you the plug-in, and it gives you a little water holder, which probably holds as much as you're supposed to put in it. Let's see, I think it said 150. Where did I see that? $550 milliliters. Well, and this is, it's hard to read the thing. Looks like it's 100 milliliters. So you might have to fill this up a few times to fill up the reservoir. And then it has a nice area here for you to plug it in. So let's go ahead and do that so you guys can see if it's easy or not, or how it works. So I'm just taking the cord, and this is the plug-in part that goes into the bottom of this, and it looks like it fits in this way. And then I can, so that it'll lay down straight, you need to turn it and then push this through the little holder thing. Very easy to do. It works great. And then so now it's ready to be plugged in. And then this has a little part right there, and this has a little part, can't really see it, but it's there, oh, right there. So I think that those parts just go together, and it fits nicely. Or maybe you could put it wherever. You might be able to just stick it on there. And then there is a control button, and it has 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, and then an on button, and you can turn on just the light or the mist. So let me read this real quick, just because I'm a reader. I like to follow the rules. The aroma diffuser uses ultrasonic waves to instantly vaporize water and essential oil in the tank to produce a cool, dry, fragrant mist. Keep products straightened, remove the lid, and add water. Place and connect the AC adapter to the base. We've already done that. Please use the measuring cup to supply water. Do not add high temperature water from the water pipe. Pay attention to the filled water level. Do not exceed the max line. Oh, and there is a max line on the side here. You won't be able to see the lines, but you can see them in person. Drop essential oil into the water tank. Install the cover of the main body with the original channel to fall to the vertical direction, rotate the cover to adjust to the desired position of the mouth spray. By the way, you must cover the upper cover when you want to use the product. Press the mist button, choose the time needed, 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, or just on for a continuous spray time. Mist button, please press mist button 5 times from 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, or on to off. Long press mist, 1 beep for high mist mode, 2 beeps for low mist mode. Press light button to turn on the LED. 7 light color options at varying brightness are available. Short press the light button, turn on the light. Brightness is adjusted through the following cycle. 7 color changing, fixed light, off, long light, and then turn off the light. If you do not use it for a long time, please drain out the water from the tank, dry, and then keep it well. If you want to use it again, please use the natural detergent to clean the water tank again, then you can use it. If lack of water is in the tank, even though the mist switch aromatherapy machine will automatically turn off. Mist and light off automatically when water runs out. So that is nice. And it just says not to knock it over, just to be careful. So I am going to try this out, and like I said, I'm going to use it for a couple of days, and then I will share with you guys my honest opinion of what I think of it. And so far it seems very nice. It seems a wonderful well. I have another mist, and it's kind of hard to twist the lid on and off. This one, you just literally place it right on top, and that works out really well. That's really nice. So I can see how this one, and it's larger than the one that I have. So far I like it better. So I will let you know. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, here is the final product. I've filled it with water. I've used it for 3 days. I haven't had to refill the water. I haven't had to refill the essential oils. It is easy to turn on, and it sets it from 1 hour to 3 hours to 6 hours. And it also, hopefully you guys can see, so there's my other one, and then this is the new one, and it is misting. I think you can see that. And it smells wonderfully, and it works very well. It shuts off by itself, has different colors of lights. I know it's not dark, but you can see the different colored lights. I think the array of lights is just amazing. And then it's easy to turn off and on. So there's the 3 hours, 6 hours, on, and then off. I'm gonna leave it on 3 hours, and I'm gonna do just a nice I think I like that one. And that's it, guys. It's super easy to use. It works really well. The whole room smells amazing. I highly recommend it. And I'm leaving the link below, so check it out. Thanks, guys.